Hi guys, I hope you are in good spirits. I'm going to plant my onion seedlings. Prepare your soil by adding manure, compost, or a balanced fertilizer to make a fertile soil. Onions prefer well-draining soil and sunny location. They grow best when the soil pH is between 6 to 6.8. I have sown these seeds first week of Feb. Let's check the roots. Wowee! I used the soil starting mix. I don't think I'm going to have any problem separating them, but I want to do the faster way to separate them.